You've been waiting to find out all about Luban, and we are here, Oman Observer, at the National Multi-Hazard Early Warning Center. This is where the meteorologists work, and we've been here before, and now it's to find out more about Luban. We're going to be joined by Mr. Mohammed Al-Shadani, Senior Meteorologist, and welcome.
Welcome, Lakshmi.
Thank you, sir, for being for us to be here, and it is definitely very exciting and important for us,
of course,
because our readers have been wanting to know more about it.
Yes, of course, yes. You're welcome. You're welcome.
So the name has been registered only now, although we knew the next tropical storm would be named
as a Luban. Yes, yeah.
But we didn't think it's going to be to this direction, did we?
What do you mean direction of this way?
The tropical storm itself, exactly where it would be.
Oh yeah, yes. At present, it is still around 30 kilometers away from Salalah coast, and we are tracking and observing very careful about the tropical cyclone, as it names as a Luban. Mm-hmm. The tropical is not yet tropical cyclone, but we're expecting by tomorrow.
Okay.
And after tomorrow, then it will be in category 1 as a tropical cyclone.
Okay.
And it may intensify in category 2 if the strength of the wind is going to pick up, and it's going to affect mostly coastal area of Salalah and Al-Wusta. On Friday they may have a rain, estimation of around to 300 millimeters of rain.
Okay.
By Friday.
Okay.
And Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that going to affect that area? The system is moving between the border between Salalah and the Yemen.
Dhofar in Yemen?
Yes, by 15 it will be moving to the Yemen side.
Okay.
Mostly.
Right.
Yeah.
As what the majors show.
Yes.
And your calculations.
Yeah, as it shows in the upper levels and our numerical weather predictions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say, is it the same track as we've seen before? And this is, of course, coming from the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean.
Yeah. Normally, the tropical cyclones, they are formed on the sea, especially on the Bay of Bengal or in the eastern side of the India. It is the same one as La Mikono, so it is formed in the same position. But this one is going to be less impact for the coastal area of Salalah, not like Mikono one.
Okay. So what are the things people should keep in mind? Let's say it's just the side effects, the rains that are going to be. The sea height, the wave heights are also going to be high.
The seas are going to be rough by even starting tomorrow.
Okay.
We have given seas and advisor to the people who will be starting from moderate to rough. And by even for Friday and Saturday, it will reach around 6 meters.
Yes, that's what we saw in your report. Could be ranging from 6 to 8
meters.
Yeah,
so they have to be careful, not gender through the sea or enter the sea, not going through the wadis, and especially when the storms hits the areas of the individual people, they should not go out. They have to be inside.
Okay.
To avoid the dangers of the falling of the trees and other things and wadis.
Okay.
Yeah.
So shall we go closer to see the chart? And this is where they work.
Yeah.
You can see the team members here at work. And this is where we get our reports. And that itself has a definition. Initially, it's the weather report, but you've been regularly giving us updates.
Yeah.
And so far, it's still not an alert.
It is an alert, but not in the situation of...
it's not a warning yet.
It is not a warning yet.
Yes.
But it has been an alert, and it's been advisor, weather predictions, almost about 5 days now. But
yes.
We're going to give us a warning and other things by Friday. Actually by tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's what the officials have been saying, that tomorrow would be the deciding factor.
They're deciding tomorrow, yes.
Because we're so close, it's 800 odds. So let's take a look. Here we are.
Yeah, this is if you can see the one here, this is the eye of the cyclone.
Okay.
And this is the center. So as we measure the distances from this eye of the cyclone to the
Coast.
of the Salalah, that is around 30 kilometers.
Okay. So is this heading this way?
Yeah, it is heading this way.
Yes.
As it's circulating clockwise.
Yes.
Is affecting, as you can see, the outflow of the
It's
clouds.
already here.
Yeah,
Yes,
this
the
is all
clouds.
the outflow of the clouds.
Okay.
Mostly they are on high clouds.
Okay.
But the main system is still circulating here. And when it is going to reach here on Friday, it will be reaching this area and giving the rain on this side of the coastal area of Salalah.
Okay. I have a very important question, Mr.
Okay.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
That is now, it can be considered a storm that is brewing. When would it become a cyclone? If
It's by Friday.
by Friday.
Yeah.
And what is that makes it? Is it the wind velocity?
It is a combination of the wind, strength of the wind. Normally, the categories of the cyclone is around about 64 and above. So it is still depression to go to the the storm.
Yes.
Then that's below 54.
Yes.
Now, when it's reached about above 64 and above, up to 80, then we category that is category 1 cyclone.
Okay. So for our understanding, visual understanding, it could go here.
Actually, there are different models they are
Okay.
giving. Some of the models are giving easterly direction.
Yes.
Some of them they give northwest direction. But most of them they give northwest.
Yeah, northwest.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's going to affect between it is in Salalah
Yeah.
and Yemen.
Yemen. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is west northwestern.
It is
Northwestern.
west northwest direction. Yes.
So that's where we are, and we've sort of understood also it is still considered a storm. It could become a cyclone
Cyclone by 2 days.
by,
yeah, by 2
within
days.
2 days.
Yeah, yes.
And depending on the speed it
On the
gains
speed
down.
and the strength of the wind.
And with landfall, usually they reduce strength, isn't it?
Of course, when it is landfall, it will be reduced. That is normally for any cyclone. When it reaches the ground,
Yes.
it is losing its strength. But by that one, we're expecting by Sunday or the Monday to be the strength of the cyclone to be.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, to categorically explain that by Friday,
By Friday and Saturday, that we are getting the impact of the cyclone.
yes. So it is a cyclone
Yes.
by then.
Yeah. By 2 days, by Friday, it is almost category 1.
Category 1.
Yes.
Okay.
And in case the strength of the wind, if it will pick up, the more humidity and the strength of the wind.
Humidity is
we
another
can-
factor.
Yeah, yes, of course. But
yes.
it is in the sea, it's pick
Yeah,
up the humidity.
yes.
If the strength of the wind is going to be more than 64 knots, then we go in category, even above 80, we'll go in category 2. But it's likely to be in the same category 1.
Category 1.
Yeah.
So let's hope, and that's the latest. And if you have just joined us, and if you've just talked about, that Luban has been, older people were using it a few days ago, but we had to wait until it was officially called
Yeah,
Luban.
yes.
And of course, that's a word has come from Oman.
Yeah,
Named it
that
by
is the
Oman?
word from Oman, because
Yes.
as normally every country has to choose the names which will be used as a WMO,
World Meteorological
yeah,
Organization.
to be identity for the cyclone which we have formed on the Arabian Sea.
Right. And
Yeah.
Luban actually is frankincense, and frankincense comes from
Yeah,
the
it's Arabic
word.
word, yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
it's an Arabic word.
Yeah.
And that's why right at the beginning I asked, we named it, but didn't realize it would come to this direction.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yes. No, it's not necessary to come to this
Exactly.
direction, but it is our time to be named this
Named it.
Luban.
So it's a
Yes.
beautiful, not
Yeah.
a beautiful, but it's a
It-
coincidence.
Even if it has gone to the Pakistan or
It
other
would still
side,
be
it could
named
be the name as Luban.
Luban.
also,
That's exactly
Yes.
what I was
Yeah.
referring to.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. And your advice to the public is to be cautious. Would it reach to Worcester? Because there's one option.
Yes,
That
we expected Worcester to have
Worcester.
a rain. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's Dhofar and Worcester, and maybe would it spill over the rains to other places?
No, not at all. Mostly we give in it is to be affecting Al Worcester, not as a Salalah. Salalah will be more rain.
Dhofar,
That is
yes,
what,
yes.
Yeah.
In Dhofar, mainly, is it all over Dhofar, or do we have an idea?
We can say it is almost on the far.
All of Dhofar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the Willites all have to be alert with the predictions. Of course, tomorrow we'll know exactly what is the situation, and you'd like to advise the public not to go out while the storm is on.
And to follow the weather bulletin, especially the TVs.
At Oman Observer.
And the
Royal
Oman Police,
Public Authority, Civil Defence and Ambulances.
Yes, of course.
And the team is all here, and you share the data.
And we work as 24 hours with our bosses. Are working 24 hours to updating the weather. We are here for the public.
And we'd like to say a big thank you for joining us and giving us an insight on what's going on, because there are many charts that's in place.
Things
you can see Luban, 9th October.
This is, you can see the strength of the wind.
Yes.
And this is the symbol of the cyclone here.
Oh.
The one which is red.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, right. So that's the cyclone.
Yeah.
And this is the wind.
And you can see the wind strength. It is in knots. It's on this date today.
Yeah,
9th of October. It's going to pick up. The wind is going to be more.
Okay.
By tomorrow, 10 and 11, 12.
And this is latitude and longitude.
Yeah.
So you can refer it immediately with the figures and look at your own maps. And here also you have other charts.
We can show you. This is analysis of the surface chart.
Okay.
And this is the upper air chart. This is 200 millibars, and this is 500. This is 700, and this is 850. And this is one of the satellite pictures image, which is showing very clear eye of the cyclone.
Yes.
You can see this one.
Yes. Okay.
So we normally draw the cyclone in the surface chart according to the latitude and longitude.
Brilliant. And so this has given us a deep insight and understanding. Nothing to really worry about today at the moment, but it's important for us to know, how much precaution we must take, because fishermen should actually be cautious from today, tomorrow.
Of course,
because
by tomorrow, yes. We have started to tell them it's roughly sea by tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be about 2.5 to 4 meters, and then during this Friday and Saturday we have 6 to 8 meters.
Yes. So from now on, from tomorrow onwards, it's 2.5 to 4, and then by the weekend it's going to be 6 to 8 meters. Yes. So please, if anyone is expecting to go towards the sea, it's going to be very rough sea. And with that, we're going to be wrapping up, and hopefully to join you tomorrow for another update. Thank you, Mr. Mohammed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And I wish you all the best. And if you have any questions, we'll be giving constant updates from at Oman Observer and the Oman Observer website, omanobserver.com. And all on our social media, just follow us at Oman Observer, the newspaper itself, tomorrow with in-depth coverage. With the whole team, thank you for joining us. Thank you, sir.
So,